Good morning, everyone. Out here, we're starting to dig a duck pond for the baby ducks. Don't know. Fix it, that tropical depression coming over us today. It's shady today, that's one good thing. Yeah, we got some baby ducks we're gonna be building a duck pond for. Then we got some baby turkeys. Got 2 ducks and 2 turkeys. They're getting pretty good size. So we're gonna get your pond dug. Tomato plants was growing pretty good. Got one there that's not growing too fast, but the rest of them are growing pretty good. Anybody around here close, around Indiana, needs some chickens? I got a bunch of baby chicks. Well, they're not babies, but they're probably a month older. We got some over there that's probably 3-4 months old. And then I got some big stock, black copper morans, Easter eggers, splash, some ice browns and golden comets, and this here is it's either a golden comet or ice brown mixed with a blue copper moran. Most of these babies are out of the blue. There's a few that's that's a young black copper moran rooster over there. He's gonna be a brooder. But yeah, we're out here just messing around this morning. Got our feeding done. Got a lot of. Come here, Daisy. Daisy's up there looking for me. Come here. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? She's got something up there and she knows she's in trouble. What do you got? What do you got there on the ground? You doing something bad? Huh? Yeah, I want you. Uh-oh, here comes Gaston to investigate. What are you doing, Daisy? What was you packing around in your mouth? You got your stuffed animals out here? What you got? Would you have my egg? Gaston? What are you doing, Gaston? Kitty, 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 kitty. Them are buddies. Best friends. Until he comes in the house and they fight over who's the boss. But anyway, I'm hoping to get some new content out. I gotta finish working on my patio. I gotta get all this mess over in here cleaned up. I'm gonna work on that today. But our little old studio that we're gonna have. My granddaughter, I don't know what she's building there. But we're gonna try to get started on some stuff today. Haven't been feeling too good, but I gotta get this tall grass mowed down here in a few minutes. Yeah, we got some baby chicks in that pen right there. I'm gonna be moving them over into the other pen. These here are some pretty good looking chicks. Well, I said chicks, pullets. Then there's gonna be some pretty hens. This one over here. Got a lot of blue. Got one over there with a hairdo. I call it hairdo. They're enjoying the shade today. They're all starting to molt. These here are, they was laying like crazy and they started molting. And then got this blue. He's pretty. Ain't you? That over yonder. But I've raised most of these myself. That girl over there's got an egg. I got them over there. I don't know if y'all know anything how to get them to stop eating their eggs. But them girls over there, they got a bad habit of eating their eggs. And I don't know what to do. I've put fake eggs in there. But I don't know how to get them to stop. So if anybody has any suggestions, feel free to let me know. But I just wanted to jump in here and say good morning to all my subscribers and all my new subscribers and old subscribers and viewers and followers. People, I got a lot of people that follows along, but they ain't subscribed. If y'all jump in there and subscribe, I got a bunch of videos I'm gonna start working on today. So I hope all y'all jump in there and watch them. There's some of the builds that I had from a while back. They're gonna be a couple months old. Some of them's a month old. Some of them's 2 months old. But I'd appreciate if y'all jump in there. There are gonna be the hoop coop build and the 2 other chicken houses. I forgot what all. I think I got 4 or 5 videos I'm gonna work on today. And have them out tomorrow. Try to have one out tomorrow, next day, the next day, and the day after that. But I'm trying hard to get this channel going, but I don't know. Sometimes I don't think it's worth it, but other times I like doing it. So I know I ain't got that many subscribers, but I'll get there. I've been working on it for a long time, so I'm going to keep on working. Not going to stop. There's meaner. We got to start digging this pond today, girl. I done started a hole, bro. We got to get the wagon. Yeah, I done started.
But Papa, how am I supposed to help digging?
Well, we're gonna dig it out probably 8 or 9 foot.
Yeah, but how am I supposed to dig?
With a shovel.
With this big old thing?
Yeah. Think
Okay.
you can,
There's the other one back there.
where? Think you can handle that?
Is it plastic?
No, it's not plastic.
What is it?
It's fiberglass. It's metal, a metal shovel.
Papa, can you come hold my hand? Do I like have to jump on it?
No, just dig.
Woo! Papa, you gotta help me.
No, you're gonna dig this by yourself. It's for your ducks.
It's for your turkey.
No, my turkeys don't swim.
Well, Bluebell's your duck. So go easily.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna get off here. Hope y'all join in. Addie's gonna get this pond dug today,
Excuse me.
and I'm gonna supervise. So we might be here a while. But don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends and family. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Give us a thumbs up if you don't. Let me know if you don't like it, what you don't like about it. Leave me some comments. Let me know about them chickens eating them eggs, what you all think. And we'll catch all y'all on here later. We'll see you now, you hear?
I need to